today's topic is again Microsoft Excel. So today I'm going to explain the if formula. So Excel if formula, it's really easy. So first of all, I've made a table, so I'll paste it here, and then to select all, I'll press here and just do calibrate. Here I'll select and it's done. So here the color, if I want something color, so I'll press here and just do this color. Okay, so it's looking now nice. So I'll show you about Format Painter also. So the total marks, first we'll do the total marks, okay, by the formula of sum. Okay, so here if I want the same color and I don't want a mistake in the color, so here I'll press the Format Painter and press here and it's done. So the sum works like this something. So what we have to do, we have to select this all and then we have to close the bracket and enter. So here the total marks are this. So you can see this black cross. You have to double click and here the total marks of Ranveer and Varun also come. You don't have to do the same process again and again. So the next one which I'm going to do is so now I'll do the if formula. So let's write the results. We'll write the results here and we have to do the Format Painter right now. So we'll press this and now the if formula. So first I'm going to explain the basic if formula without and or. So this is if, okay. So the logical test means that is this greater than that. So we are going to press, I'll use this for the example. The logical test will be that English marks should be greater than you should be greater than 40. Okay, 40. The English marks should be greater than 40 and then we have to do a comma, then value of true. The value if true is that if this formula is true in one, if this condition is true, this is a condition, okay. So this is a condition. If this condition is true, what will happen that they will be written like pass, fail, pass, fail. So it will be written like that. So if the condition is true, I'll write pass and we have to use the double quotient mark, So if the value is false, if this condition is not applied in one, so this is fail. So I'll write fail here. Yeah, so it's done and I'll close the bracket here. So it's done. So because Ranveer had more than 40 marks in his English, so he is pass. So what happened, we have to do once again like we did in the sum one. So we'll press this and here it comes. So if you want condition formatting, which is equal to, I'll show you. So if you want the pass marks to be highlighted in green, so you will do pass and then here you can see because the option which is already chosen is red, but I want to do green, so I'll do green. So it's here, okay. And now this is selected also, selected, and I'll do equal to fail. Fail is equal to red, okay. So this is okay. So if I change the marks of Varun, like I'll do his marks 50. Enter. So he is pass. His marks, okay. So let's change his marks once again to show you all. So now I have used the if only. So this is only for one. So you can use this for 1. So now the next one I'm going to show you the results once again. So the next one is that we'll use the if and formula together. So it's really easy also. So we'll first do if, then in the logical test one we'll just write and, like we did in the index match. So logical 1, logical 2, you can write more also logicals. So let's go. So the first logical which I'm going to do is that this total marks should be greater than 200. Okay, and then the logical 2 will be that the English marks, the Hindi marks should be greater than 20. Okay, no, actually not 20, it should be greater than 40. Okay, so here my logical is done, so I'll just close the bracket and do comma. So I have to close the bracket, then only the value of true will come, because this was the and one. So yeah, here we come again to the F1. So the value of true will be pass. So we have to do the double quotient comma pass, and then we'll close the bracket, and then the value of false will be fail. Okay, so now we'll close bracket, and we are done with this formula. And Ranveer had his Hindi marks were not greater than 40 and his total was fail. This is because that I'll explain once. So in this AND formula, Ranveer is fail because in the AND formula the condition should meet. So the both conditions should be should meet. So here Ranveer was So sorry, I missed it. So Ranveer had 200. The total marks were more than 200, but the Hindi marks were not more than 40. So he is failed. So in the AND formula, the both conditions should meet. So now we'll do condition formatting also of this. So let's go to equal to and write fail. Enter, then we'll go to the condition formatting equal to, and we'll do pass, and here we'll do green fill with that. So here Ranveer is fail because his total marks are this, and now Salman is failed because Salman is not failed. Karthik is failed because his total marks are not more than 200, and this one is also failed. So now I'm going to show you how to combine the if and the or one. So this is also really easy. So we'll go to if, and then in the logical test one, the bracket which is for logical test, the first thing, so we'll write or, and here we'll do tab. So the logical 1, logical 2. So in this one, if one logical only meets, so what will happen? I'll write this. I'll copy this and paste it here. So I'll just do some changes for not coming there. Yeah. So I'm going to write the if formula now. So if and or formula, and then or tab, and the logical one is that logical one will be the same, that the Hindi marks should be greater than 40, and the total I'll just do, and the pass marks should be greater than this time I'll do 230. Okay, so if one condition meets, this can do, like if one condition is that this person has Hindi 75 but his total marks are not more than 230, so he is passed, because he will pass because one condition will meet. So I'll just do close the bracket and do comma. So here we are in the if formula, and the value of true will be again pass. Okay, and now comma, and now the value of false, value of false will be fail. Okay, so here I'll close the bracket and the formula is done. Enter. So this person is fail because the both conditions did not meet. His total marks are not more than 230. And now let's see, I told Janvi is 1, so let's see if he's pass or fail. Press here. So he is pass, as I told you all that the one condition should meet in all. So let's do the condition formatting once again of this. Equal to, and equal to, I'll write pass is equal to green. Okay, and fail is equal to red, which is 1 only, because one condition did not meet in Ranveer's 1. Okay, so he is fail. Now you can just see this video, and in the description box below I have written below that what is this. Okay, so I have written in the description box. Okay, so you can see the formulas there, and it's very easy. So this should be greater than this, and if we can use only one logical test and the value if true and the value if false, then in this one what is and show in and the both conditions should meet, or else that person is fail. And in this one only one condition should meet, but in Ranveer's case the condition did not meet, so he is fail. So I think so this video was helpful to you all, and if you don't understand this, you can see in the description box below. I've written all the formulas there. So yeah, bye bye.